Permit me to tell you that this is the major reason why you've not monetized your page or your profile. There are so many things that can even make your 60,000 minute views to be reducing. Few things like you uploading your videos, and after uploading the video, you promote the same video you upload. So many people promote the same video they upload in order for them to get views. By so doing, you are disturbing the 60,000 minute view, which is a target set for you by Facebook itself. So if you really want to monetize your account, you want to make money with that your account, please avoid promotion. Okay, do not click this very button here. Do you get that? So whenever you upload any piece of content, any video, make sure your video is at least 3 minutes long. If you want to monetize your account, make sure your video is at least 3 minutes long. Let's say that the video is not even long at all, but at least 3 minutes long. It is for your own good, so that you enjoy the fruit of your labor, so you enjoy what you are doing. Okay, so make your video at least 3 minutes long, so that the minute view will count for you. Make sure that whenever you are uploading video, you don't just do copy and paste, which is repetitious content. You don't just do that copy and paste. That copy and paste can even land your account in a very big problem, which can even disturb your thinking. It can even make you think that Facebook is not doing it right. Okay, so do your videos organically. Do your videos original. Think. You can see a video that someone do. Maybe you love that video, that piece of content. Why won't you at least, you can recreate that content? Maybe, who knows, when your own come out, your own might be more nicer than the person's own. This one thing. Upload your video with title and description. Okay, so whenever you're uploading your video, make sure your title is very, very clear, and put enough keywords on your title. Don't just write anyhow something there. Put keyword. Search for something that people are talking about on Facebook, okay, and then put it as a keyword over there on your title. Repeat the same thing on your description, and then throw more light about the video on the description, so that whenever people your video pop up on people's feed, they will be able to read through and see what you are about to tell them. I mean, what they will be expecting from you. Do you get that? Then another thing again for you to do there is on your reels. Whenever you're uploading your reels, make sure you set up your description, your tags. Make sure you set it out well, and it's very, very clear. Do you get that? It will make your audience trust you well, and it will make your video ranked on search engine. When people search a related video, your video will be among the video that Facebook himself will suggest to people. Do you get that? So make sure you make use of the title. On the title, there is a way they do Facebook Reels. You can add your title and description on the same place. So that means pack all your keywords and put it here. After putting it there, you move down, see where they ask you to select where you want your video to rank. Okay, so select it here, and then maybe depending on the kind of video you are producing, if your video is a comedy video, the comedy is already there. If it is an entertainment, everything is already there. So when you put it, and it's like when they set an easy playlist for you, so that when people search for, let me just say, people search for entertainment videos, your video will be online among the video that Facebook will be suggesting to those people for them to watch. Do you get that? Then the last thing generally which I want to say is this. Remember, on the internet here, you are not competing with anybody. Do your video, okay? Do your video. That your brother monetized today doesn't mean that you will not monetize tomorrow. The only thing Facebook requires from you is just 5,000 followers and then 60,000 minute view, and you'll get monetized and you start enjoying money online. This is coming from Highlight Viral, and this is day 2 of our 50 days training. Okay, follow us and learn a lot. We are still going to tell you more on even YouTube, IG. So we are coming out So if you enjoyed this video and you think that you want us to send you a link that will enable you to produce your videos on a very high quality, I mean to write your script on a very high quality, just comment script, okay? Just drop a comment, write the script so that we know that you need it, okay? And we'll send it to you.